Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to factory reset Kodak Pixpro FZ55. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having troubles resetting your Kodak Pixpro FZ55, there are a few things that you need to do to reset this or factory reset it. So first things first is you want to open the menu. So in this case, you want to go and just press the menu button on your in this case your camera here. Now you want to use the arrow buttons that you see here, which in this case is going to be around this section here, and you want to basically scroll to the reset option, which is found at the very bottom of your menu. Now you want to press the set button to select it, so it's going to be the very center of your navigation buttons here. Now, from then on, just confirm the reset here, so a message will appear. So in this case, reset camera settings to factory default. So use the arrow buttons and then use select to yes, and this just basically just confirm it. Now the camera will automatically power off after a few seconds, but once it turns back on, all settings will be restored back to factory defaults. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.